Hello again, guys. I thought I'd share my 1988 Toyota 4x4 pickup. This is not a Tacoma. If you know these vehicles, they were bulletproof back in the day. This has a four-cylinder, fuel-injected, five-speed manual engine in it. And it's pretty much bulletproof. It was a little rough when I found it. It had some rusts, some dents. It was originally an Arizona vehicle. So what I ended up doing was stripping everything down, pulling all the windows out and every piece of plastic that it had on it, headlights, grills, everything, and getting it down to body and paint, where they did a pretty good job. I also pulled the bed off, did a complete undercarriage paint job, and cleaned everything up. As far as mechanically, all the fluids were switched out and changed out, bring as new, redid the brakes, and made sure that we just gave it an overall tune-up. Not sure exactly where the end of this car's life is going to be. Hopefully it finds a good owner and they'll enjoy it as much as they should. Trucks are getting harder and harder to find these days, and the value on them has really gone up. One thing, if I had to still do a couple things, is probably a rear bumper and some new wheels on it. They've seen better days and kind of back to the 80s, but I'll just kind of wait and see where we go with that. I know a lot of people like to make these extreme four-wheel drive vehicles. My goal was just to bring it truly back down to its glory days and enjoy what a great truck this actually was. So just wanted to share a little bit of that with you guys, and hopefully you enjoy it. And thanks as always for watching. I will be adding some videos that I took for different projects that I did with it, fuel pump and some of the painting and stuff like that that got done. But I just really wanted to highlight the pictures that I took of this truck so that you can see how it actually turned out and see the true beauty of what these trucks were. And hopefully there's still a lot of them on the road.